Hi guys, this is Fairway Tita and welcome to another episode of our Q&A with Fairway Tita. So for today, I will be answering some questions that you want to know about Fairway Tita. First question. Okay, what are the top 3 must-have items for a stylish golf OOTD for Fairway Tita? So sa akin, first is the right clothes, siguro. The right golf clothes. So for me, what is a nice golf clothes? It's something that is very comfortable, but at the same time very stylish siya. So you would see guys, hindi ako nagpa-pants kasi naiinitan ako guys. So feeling ko hindi ako makagalaw. So you will always see me wearing a skirt. And then a golf shirt. And usually I prefer yung mga colors na black and dark colors kasi alam niyo naman, hindi balingkinita ng katawan ni Fairway Tita. So, kailangan natin ng mga dark colors. Kung hindi naman dark colors, may mga print. Mga, very loud print yung aking top. Para hindi nyo rin makita ang aking mga, love handles. So, yan ang rason, guys, no? Kaya para makamouflage natin yung ating mga, bilbil dyan, no? I don't like to wear dahil trending yung isang bagay, I don't wear it because it's trending. Reason kung bakit ko susuotin ang isang bagay, it's because it's comfortable for me while I play golf. So, I don't wear stuff dahil trending siya. Sinusuot ko yung gusto ko, hindi dahil sa trending siya, dahil yun yung komportable ako. But at the same time, I feel na stylish pa rin siya. So, I just coordinate yung mga colors, ganyan. And then, I include also, syempre, ang isa ko pang next must-have na OOTD ay ang shoes. So, I already mentioned in my one of my vlogs na ang favorite ko na gamitin na shoes ay ang Adidas Superstar golf shoes. Because it's not just stylish, but primarily very comfortable siya sa akin. Kasi, guys, yung, medyo wide yung feet ko. So, hindi masakit sa akin yung Adidas Superstar. So, I have tried other brands of golf shoes, but I always go back to my Adidas Superstar. And as I said, it's very stylish. And, I can even wear it even if I'm not in the golf course. So, third ko is the right accessories. So, what accessories do I use? First, I like to wear bucket hats na cute. Usually, gustong-gusto ko yung mga bucket hats or caps or visor na either may hearts siya because I love hearts, or kaya yung merong mga witty na mga statements sa mga designs nila. So, yun, isa sa akin yun na hindi lang siya stylish for your outfit, but it's really necessary because it's so hot out there, diba? So, to protect your face, your body from the sun, you really have to wear yung mga ganong accessories. And, yun yung aking top 3 must-have na OOTDs if you're playing in the golf course.